This is the Sweat X Extreme Stain Remover Spray, a laundry treatment designed to help tackle tough stains on clothing, performance fabrics, and activewear. One thing that stands out about this product is its focus on athletic and technical fabrics. Whether it's workout clothes, training gear, sports uniforms, or everyday apparel, the spray is designed to target stubborn spots before washing. Using it is simple. Just apply the spray directly to the stained area. Allow it to sit according to the product directions, and then wash as usual. The targeted spray application makes it easy to treat specific areas that need extra attention. I like that it's designed for a variety of fabrics commonly used in activewear, helping maintain the appearance of workout clothing that sees frequent use. The 16-ounce bottle provides plenty of product for regular laundry care and spot treatments. The spray bottle design is convenient for keeping in the laundry room and makes it easy to apply exactly where needed without wasting product.